So guys, today we'll try to understand the lookup function. Uh, we'll go through all the lookup formulas, and these are very important in terms of data analysis or data cleaning, or you want to churn any kind of data. All these formulas that I've listed here form an integral part on how you want to clean or probably modify your data, or you want to get some data from some other tables onto a particular table which you want to do an analysis on. Yeah. So this forms a very important uh, part of any spreadsheets that you use, either it be Excel or Google Sheets. So let's start with lookup function. This is the very much first function which looks through a sorted row and column. Yeah, usually lookup uses rows which are sorted, like either in ascending order or descending order. Yeah, uh, for key, and then returns the subsequent values which is just next to that particular column or the column that you specify to get you the result that you are looking out for. Yeah. So let's try and understand what is the formula first. So the formula for a lookup function is equal to lookup. Then you will have the search key. So you will have the value that you want to search for. So let me first get some data which help us to understand uh, what we are looking out for. Yes. So suppose I have this part number. Yes. And I have the price of that part number. Yes. Uh, suppose the part number is 105, 126, 133, 171, 188. Yeah. So these are some of the part numbers, and suppose the price is 27.5, 33 rupees, 41.75, 26.75. I'm taking any random value that I'm thinking of. Yeah. 199. Okay. Now, I want to go through this entire list. Imagine I'm just taking this 5 rows. Uh, a big database may have hundreds or thousands of rows which you want to look up for a part number. So suppose I want to look up for a part number whose uh, part number or a price for a part number whose number is 126. So what I'll do is I'll write a formula saying is equal to lookup. I want to search for a value. Yeah. So I'll try to put my value in G1. Yeah. I'll put my value here. Search key rather. Okay. And then I'll try to tell the formula where I have to search my key from. So I have to search it in part number. Yeah. And what is the value it is supposed to return me? So it is supposed to return me the price. Yes, I'll just, since I have completed this, I'll close the bracket. So what we added in the formula was the search key, which was the part number that I want to search for, where I want to search the part number, and then what is the value I'm expecting to return. Yeah. So here, in this case, I'm searching for a part number, which I'll input in G1. It is supposed to search it in the part number column, and it is supposed to return me the price of the part number that I specified. Yes, pretty simple. I'll press enter. Right now it is giving me NA because I have not specified any part number in G1. So suppose I try to get the price of part number which is 133. Yeah. So just have a look at the E2 column, E2 cell, where it will give me the price of 133. Yeah, so the price of 133 was 41.75. Suppose I change it to 126. It is giving me the price of 126. So this is how lookup can be used towards finding values in a lot of rows that you have. Yeah, and this this is basically used to search for a particular value from the same sheet of if this particular data is in different sheet. So suppose if I keep this data not here in some other sheet, so I create a new sheet and I'll keep the data here, and I want my formula to give me the price here. Yeah. So I'm searching for a part number. My master data is somewhere else. I search for 133. It is giving me the price. My data is on some other sheets altogether. So this is how you can maintain your master data separate and provide only the specific value which is required for your analysis or calculations. Yeah. So this is lookup value. Yeah. And same way, we have VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, which we'll see in the subsequent sections.